Hi everyone, myself HRITIK YADAV. In this video I am going to teach you how you can do the graph of function question in a digital SAT exam. It is also considered as one of the hardest digital SAT maths question which have appeared in the past. So without any delay, let's go through the question. First of all, we will analyze the question what it is saying. In the xy plane, the graph of function f where y equals to fx, okay, has exactly 8 x-intercept. What does that mean? Means it will have 8 x-intercept, means line will be intersecting in the horizontal line 8 times. Okay, one of these x-intercept is 17. Okay, so one of the x-intercept 17 comma 0 is given, and the other 7 intercept we can assume by ourselves. The rational function g is defined by gx equals to fx upon x minus 17. In the xy plane, how many x-intercept does the graph of y equals to gx have? Okay, so what it is saying, first we'll directly do in the Desmos. So it is saying that there is 8 intercept, so we need to assume 7 intercept by ourselves. Okay, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5, x minus 6, x minus 7, and the one intercept is already given, which is 17, so we need to write here is x minus 17. Okay, so it is done here. Now what we'll do here is, okay, so we'll consider this as fx, as it is given here y equals to fx. Okay, so this is fx points, and now the rational function g is defined by gx equals to fx upon x minus 17, and then it is asked how many x-intercept does the gx have. So what we'll do here is, so by looking here we may be confused, so we need to just blot this line of fx, or or make it disappear from the graph, this fx points, and let's consider gx, okay, as in the question said. So how many x-intercept does gx have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is exactly 7 intercept in the gx, so our answer will be 7. Okay, so this is so simple, guys, if you will do in Desmos. Hope you like this video. Thank you.